Hey guys, how you doing? Xavier Velez here for week 8 of our chemistry class, and this is the final video that I'll be doing. So for my interactive concept video, we're going to be talking about phase changes within water, supercooled water. So phase changes can occur rapidly if properly provoked, and in this week's experiment, we are going to take advantage of this concept by cooling water to the point of phase change and using it to stimulate different um, changes. So what I did here was I took a couple water bottles and I put them in the freezer for approximately 2 hours and 45 minutes, give or take. And so at that point, the water should be super cooled, and we're going to see what happens. So I used three 16.9-ounce water bottles for the experiment in terms of putting them in the freezer, and that's what we'll be using. The interaction between the molecules in which will be shown um, is explained by particle theory of matter. Okay, so let's see what we can discover ice bending in real life. So, I've never done this before. I watched the video, it looked super cool. Let's see if I can replicate it. So, I'm going to take some super cold water that was chilled, but it's still liquid. Right, this is the glass right here. This is the super cooled water. And technically, what should happen is I should take an ice cube and put it into this cup, and it should flash freeze. So as the heat is applied to something, particles vibrate and move away from one another. So we are discussing this on a cooler scale with the experiment, because instead of the heat dispersing, the cold is going to disperse. Hopefully. So let's see if it works. Here's our ice cube, and let's see if that works. I don't see anything happening. I just see ice floating in water. Okay. That didn't work. So, not really sure why. The water bottle is pretty cold and almost frozen, right? I left it any longer, it'd be rock solid. So, that didn't work, but we'll continue. Next, I'm going to take some super cold water and pour it over ice cubes, glass of ice cubes, and see if we can make this ice kind of freeze continuously, causing a slush form. In theory, not in theory, if this was the right temperatures reacting, in the same way energy moves from one area of higher concentration to a low concentration, ice crystals will move from areas of higher concentration to lower concentration. And when cool water meets ice, the ice crystals will form and make more crystals and disperse in the water. So let's see if that works. Okay, that didn't work either. So far, what I have is a glass of ice water. Okay. We are trying this. I don't know if the water's not cold enough. I'm pretty sure it's cold enough because, as you can see, this is a block of ice in my water bottle. So this is really cold. So not sure what exactly is going wrong, but I tried the experiment. It didn't exactly work. I actually wanted to see it work because I was really interested in being able to do this. My kids who are asleep probably would have thought this was awesome if it worked. So I'm going to try again. but I waited a couple hours just to try this experiment. So maybe not today, but we will try again. But anyway, that's my submission for week 8. Why it didn't work, I'm not totally sure. I think the temperature of the water is correct. My ice cubes are ice cubes. I have essentially tried to replicate what I saw in the video, and not sure. But anyway, thank you very much, guys.